pictures of?
Me.
Oh, Nova, how nice.
A special photo book for Nova.
It's a Nova book.
Dad, open it out.
Why don't we stop and clean up a little bit?
What crap?
Did you get it good?
Why don't we put all our paper over there so we have room to open our last big
about
present? Put it over there.
Good throw.
Okay.
Are you gonna throw that away?
No.
I'll take it. You're
No.
gonna throw it away? I'll take it.
I don't want to.
Maybe she can have a tea party with you.
Look.
Oh, geez, that's a stocking for Nova.
What it?
Yep. Uh-oh, your little dolls fell down.
Stop that.
Don't squint. What's the matter with you?